Hey Yolanda, looking at your work. Let me get it here. Okay. So I know students love the templates, but it does make it hard to really view the work. So you want to show both the digital file and, whatever mock-up you like next to each other. This kind of thing isn't so bad because you can mostly see it. Same with this one. It doesn't interfere with your type or whatever. This one starts to get a little tricky, like that condensed font. I can't read it. Let's see, am I at 100? Let me see. I can read a little bit better there. Consider cropping it a bit more. Now that's nice. These little dealies here, these little hangers, they do interfere with your design. All my eye, especially because it's so like one tone, my eye goes right to these little loops. So I don't know if there's a less eye-catching one that you could use, but great typography, love it. It's very creative. Would catch my eye. Now this is a good example of why these mock-up template things don't work. It's ruined your design. I can't see how you've balanced each page. I can't see your illustrations clearly. I know, and again, I know it's fun for you guys, but I can't look at your work here carefully. And the other thing is, why would this be on a big billboard in the sky? It just wouldn't be unless maybe it was a design school. Very interesting. Okay, so this is a real unique skill, but I want to see the plans, like the blueprints for this or sketches. That's interesting too. And by the way, good photograph. Everybody should take such a good, perfect photograph of their product stuff. This is how you do it. I remember this. What a waste to have it look like you threw it on the floor. I want to see the 2-page spread. You're killing me here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go back to 100. Now I really want to see what you did here, but I can't read it because that's it at 100. And a clever idea putting the pink behind there, it really makes your work pop. And I love that there is a stamp too. Perhaps put a little pink in there, make it pop. This is an appropriate use of the template. I think it's a really good way to show what a web design will look like. Oh yeah, okay, you did this wonderful product stuff. All right, so again, you need to put notes about this because it's going to seem really weird to like an art director. Like they're going to just be like, why'd she put this purse here? So you need to put notes on exactly what you did. Textile design. This would make a cool poster. I love it. All right. Same with that. I think you could call this one an illustration. All right, so this is stuff you did as a fashion designer. Did you make this sweatshirt? Interesting stuff. You could probably hear my kids watching cartoons. Anyway, I think you have really solid work. I do think, though, you need to mix up these templates with your flat work because it's really good. And again, I want to see more of this. Excellent photograph everybody could learn from. In fact, I might just take a screenshot of it if you don't mind and show it to everybody because this is what it should look like. And when I do that, if you'd be so kind to explain how you got such a good photograph, I would appreciate it. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.